Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can disable your dark mode on your iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your settings app on your phone. And after opening your settings app, what you're going to do is scroll down until you see the option of display and brightness. Tap on it. And after tapping on it, there you will be able to see the option of light and dark right here. You can see we are currently on dark mode. In order to disable your dark mode, what you're going to do is simply just tap on the light mode right here. And just like this here, you can see you are no longer in the dark mode of your iPhone. You can tap on the settings option on the top right corner right here. And you can see all of your settings are also in the light mode. And that is it. That is how you can disable your dark mode on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.